What is it?
Ooh, that's beautiful. Well, I can see.
Open the paper. Open the paper.
There you go.
What did you give her? The tear-proof paper?
That stuff is really slippery.
Daddy help.
What is it?
Super wrapper, whoever.
What is it?
What looks like.
It's mine!
You get to paint.
And who is that a picture of?
Cinderella!
Yeah!
Very good.
You get to paint Cinderella!
And
Cinderella!
a
Wow.
pretty pony picture, unicorn with a rainbow.
Hey, that's pretty nice.
It's Cinderella. Don't forget Cinderella.
And Cinderella. That's a fun